So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your demo account and get set up to start trading today for absolutely free. You can do all this as a beginner, and all this can happen right here from your phone, guys. Super quick and easy. I'm gonna try to make this video 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes of your time. I know you got attention span of that, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. Let's get into it. So the first thing I need you to do is create a broker account. All right, so you got to pick a broker. There's so many brokers. Today I'm gonna be showing you 2 brokers that you can use. The first broker I'm gonna show you how to use is gonna be Funder Pro. Here's the landing page where you got the start screen. All you gotta do is click login/register. Now I already have my account. You're gonna register for your own account, and right here you're gonna click sign up. That's all you gotta do. Now here's my account. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna log in with that, and it'll land you on a screen that looks just like this. Now on this screen right here, you can purchase an account. You can create a demo account. You can do everything. This is your management screen right here. On this page right here, what you're gonna do is click new challenge. Right up here, once you click new challenge, you can buy a challenge. But in our case right here, to start the demo account, we're gonna click get free trial. Now in this case, we're gonna use $100,000 to trade with. Now, you can do 100,000, you can do 5,000, all the way up to $200,000 to start on your demo account. Now, what you want to do is you want to click start free trial right here. Now, I've already done this for another video that I made, but guys, to get started with your free trial, you're going to get an email that's going to give you the login to start with the demo account. Now, I want you to open up that email and see that login, and it'll show you everything you need to know to start that account. Funder Pro is a prop firm broker, okay? So basically, when you do a challenge and you pass that challenge, they'll give you $100,000 to trade with. This can be great to get started with capital, to where you don't have to use your own money. You can borrow that, you can use their money and trade with, and still make a lot more money with trade. Now, if you got a lot of money to trade with to get started with, then all means you're good. But Funder Pro gives you the option to trade with their capital. Now, second thing I need you to do is go to your app store and download 2 apps. There's one app, it's gonna be called TradeLocker. The second app I need you to download is gonna be called Metatrader 4. Those are the only 2 apps that you're gonna need. And I tell you to download both, and they both do the same thing, but you're gonna have your own preference on which app you wanna use. Now, I personally like to use Metatrader 4, but TradeLocker is great as well. Now, both apps are definitely great, but depending on which broker you like to choose, which decides which app you're gonna use. So in this case, Funder Pro uses TradeLocker. So once you download TradeLocker, you're gonna land on the screen just like this. Now, once you land on that screen, you're gonna have your email, and that's literally where you're putting your email for that account that you just created. Once you input your email, you're gonna be on the password phase. Now, everything is copy and paste from that email that you just got. So the password is gonna be that password field, and the server is literally gonna be FPR. And that every server is different from each broker, but in this situation, Funder Pro's broker server is FPR. So once you click login, it's gonna put you on a screen and it's gonna load up just like this. Now guys, once you're all locked in, that's all you need really technically to get started on trading. Now at the top, you can click your currency pairs, you can click the trades, you can view the trades that you want right up here at the top. Now I have nothing, so there's not gonna be anything, but also it's gonna show you everything you need to know on the app. And then all you wanna do in this app is click buy and sell at the bottom, right? So quick thing, the market is closed, but once the market opens, all you gotta do is click buy. Or if you want to swap it to a sell, you click this sell right here and then close that, and then you can click sell at the bottom. And then here's your stop loss. You can make it stop loss or your take profit as well on that screen. And guys, it's super easy, super easy. I love TradeLocker because it's great. It's got so many functions. You can change the time frames. It's such an easier interface to use versus Metatrader 4, but we'll get into Metatrader 4 next. And it's just a better looking app, if I had to say. I just like the look of it, the appearance of it. So guys, the next broker I'm gonna show you how to use is gonna be Owanda. All right, now I just started using Owanda and I like it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward and simple to use. Now, I've only been using it for a month, but I enjoy it so far. My experience has been great. And guys, get started with Owanda. I'm putting a link right there in the description as well so we can get started. But guys, once you get started on Owanda, all you gotta do is click start trading right there in the top right corner, and it's gonna take you through the steps to create your account. Now guys, they do a lot of verifications just to make sure you are who you are and you're not a bot or a fake person and all that stuff like that. So on here, Once you do that, now once you click sign up, you're gonna come up to the screen just like this. Now, I personally live in the United States, but if you don't live in the United States, click no. So you're gonna click yes, confirm. Now enter your email address and the password that you want. It's gonna take you through all the steps to get signed up. Go through the steps. I promise you, it's all safe. Don't worry about it. But guys, that's Oanda. Now, once you finish Oanda's setup and set up your account, it's gonna take you through a verification step, and once you verify it, then you're ready to go. But in this case right here, here's the landing screen once you actually get your account set up. Now, once you log into Oanda, all you're gonna do is go up to this top right corner of the screen where you see your name, and you're gonna click switch to demo. Now, once you switch to the demo, you're gonna land on the screen like this. All you wanna do is go to the side and click accounts. Once you click accounts, it's super simple from here. All you gotta do is click add new account. Once you add a new account, you can use the Oanda app to actually trade with, or use Metatrader 4. I personally like using Metatrader 4 because it's better. It's so simple. All right, Metatrader 4 is so simple, and we're gonna go to Metatrader 4 so I can show you how to set it up. But in this case, we're just gonna create this account. We're gonna call it demo, and then our currency is gonna be US dollar, and then we're gonna create our password. Super easy setup. And once you set up the account, you're gonna get the details. You're creating your own password. You're creating everything. Now you're ready to go. So next step, you want to go back over to your phone. Okay, you're gonna go to Metatrader 4, the app that you guys just downloaded at the beginning of the video, Metatrader 4. Once you land on Metatrader 4, you're gonna go all the way over to the side where it says settings. Once you're on the settings right here, you're gonna click the top right here, the profile right there at the top. Once you click the profile, click the plus sign at the top right. And guys, you can create a demo account through Metatrader 4. I just like to manage it because it's just a little bit better by creating it through a broker. It's the same thing ultimately though. There's nothing that changes. But on here, you're gonna click log into an existing account. And guys, on the website, it's gonna tell you the MT4 server. So once you got the demo account set up on the Oanda server, all you do is click demo right here, or whatever you named your account that you just created. You're gonna click that and click right here at the bottom right corner of that screen. It's gonna tell you the server, the account number, everything you need to know to log into the account. So you're gonna use that. So in our case, our server is Oanda/demo/1. And then our password, our login is gonna be that number there. And then your password is gonna be the password you created. So super easy. Once you put in your password, you're gonna land on the screen just like this. Now on here, you're ready to start trading. And that's why I say Metatrader 4 I like using it a little bit better because everything is on one screen. It's super easy to use. Now you got all your Forex pairs. You can click the plus sign to add more pairs on here. You got so many to add to. You got group 17, which is even more Forex pairs, okay? Guys, I like Metatrader 4. It's so easy to use. It's super easy to start learning how to trade. Guys, once you click chart right here, you're gonna click chart. And right ahead at the top right, you click trade just to hop into your first trade, guys. You click buy or sell to hop into a trade. Now, guys, watch videos to learn how to trade. But, guys, I'm just showing you how to set up your demo account, okay? Buy and sell right there. Now, this is the graph right here to show you everything you need to know. And trade right here, this is how you can manage all the trades right here. It'll show you every single trade you're in at that moment. You can hop into it, you can close it, stop loss, everything like that. History, it shows you every single trade. Now we have $100,000 to trade with. So we can do it. We can trade right now if we wanted to, but market's closed. So guys, that's that. Last setting screen right here, just showing you the account that you got set up. Now, setting up a demo account is very crucial. You need to do that before you start using your real money in 2024 with trading, guys. I probably traded on demo account for at least a year before I really started trading, guys. And it really helped me grow my trading skills, and it benefited me in the long run, guys, because now I know the skills and the foundation that it takes to trade. Okay, now a demo account is completely different from a full account because a regular live account is your real money. Okay, that's your money that you're actually using to trade with, guys. So before you actually use your money, always start with a demo account, guys. Hit the link in the top right to the left corner right there, and I'll show you how to get started with Forex trading as a beginner. I'll break down everything you need to know to begin trading, guys. Hit this link right here. That's a little strategy that I use every single day, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you can get started trading today. As a matter of fact, I know you will get started trading today. Start making more money today. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Yeah.